Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. First thing I want to say that I have my dishwasher going in the background, so I'm sorry if you hear that. Hopefully you don't. But today we're going to be doing a really fun video, and it's going to be kind of an after dark evening clean with me and also a fall pamper routine. So it's basically just kind of a fall evening routine where unfortunately I cannot get away from my duties and I still have to do my evening cleaning. But then after that, I'm going to be pampering myself a little bit, which I think is really important for all of us to do, because we all work hard in a day and we all deserve a little bit of pampering as well. So it's going to have a little bit of cleaning motivation and also some motivation to pamper yourself. So as you can see, I'm starting out in the living room and I'm just picking up my son's toys. Before he went to bed, I was building bridges with him. We were building blocks, and he likes it when I build a big bridge and then he knocks it over. So that's awesome. And now I am just heading over into my kitchen and I'm going to be cleaning up from that night's supper. So I have to clear off all my counters and put all the leftovers away and all that sort of stuff. But other than that, my house wasn't too bad. Earlier that day, I did film another cleaning video, so the rest of the house was pretty good. I really just had to clean up after my son playing in the evening and after our supper. So shortly after this, I will be able to light a nice candle and actually relax and get some pampering in.
If I could see you again, I don't know where to start. I've tried to fix every wound with this lone heart. I'd see that siren smile while I'd find a way to breathe. But the way that your eyes shatter mine, I will be defeated. But if I'd go back, I could turn away. But if I leave it, I couldn't let me. If I'd go back, I could turn away. But I would turn back, I'm bound to relapse. I wish I'd see you again, but I don't know where I start. You're so hard to detach, though I know I should let go. I would undo it all in a second if I could. But now that I know you were here, I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender.
So now to kick off the relaxing portion of my evening, I'm starting by lighting my vanilla bean candle. This is from Bath & Body Works. And of course, it's vanilla bean. It's a classic scent. But I just love lighting candles, especially in the fall and winter. It just makes you feel so cozy. I just love it so much. And it makes your house smell amazing after you're done cleaning up from supper. And of course, no relaxing evening would be complete without a cup of tea. So I'm going to be having some decaf green tea. I like having green tea in the evening because it helps to promote digestion, but obviously you want the decaffeinated part in the evening. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour myself a cup of hot tea. I love tea. So like a tea, a candle, a good book, and that's really all I need to relax. That really helps me a lot. But tonight we're going to go a little bit further, and I'm actually going to end up doing my nails. So I have been a nail tech for about 8 years now, and I just have always done it part-time just out of my home. I recently stopped taking on any clients at all though since I opened my daycare, and I just kind of do my own. My nails take a beating, especially working with kids all the time and like playing with them all the time and doing my cleaning videos. My nails get trashed, so I'm having to redo them quite a bit. What I love doing is I love putting on a YouTube video and just like escaping while I do my nails. It's hard to find the time to do it though, because it does take so long for me to do my own. I mean, it's usually depending on what I want to do with them. Usually it takes about 2 hours. So it can be kind of hard to find that time when most of my spare time is used to be doing my videos, right? So it can be hard to carve out time to do my nails, but it's something that I absolutely love. And it's another outlet for me to be creative as well, because you can do nail art and all sorts of things like that. But definitely I would suggest, if you're going to have a pamper night, give yourself a manicure or give yourself a pedicure. Do something for yourself in that regard. Like, I love having pretty nails, and half the time I don't because they're all broken, but I love having pretty nails. So this was my end result. I just did a classic white, and I did like a bronzy kind of sparkle tip on the ring finger there. Just kind of fall, like little bronze color, copper color. And now, of course, more cleaning motivation. I have to clean up everything that I had out. There is a lot of tools that's required when you're doing gel nails. Tons and tons of tools. So just gonna take all that stuff back. And then we will get on into the next portion of my evening, which is going to be, of course, doing a hair mask. I absolutely love doing hair masks because my hair gets so dry. I bleach my hair. I go blonde, so it definitely dries out your hair, and you have to really make sure that if you're going to be lightening your hair, you have to do weekly hair masks. You just have to. My hair already is so dry, so if I don't do it, it just gets terrible. So I'm trying this Life brand hair mask, and I actually decided to leave it in overnight. It didn't say that you were supposed to do that. It said to wash out after like 8 minutes or so. But I decided to leave it in overnight, and it didn't do any harm to my hair. I don't know that it really helped to leave it in overnight. Like, it didn't feel any softer than it would have if I would have just rinsed it out. So I don't know if I would do that again. But I usually just leave in coconut oil in my hair overnight, and that's usually my hair mask. But this time I decided to try a real hair mask and I left it in. And I just make sure to comb it all the way through so you get it through everywhere. And then I'm just going to pin it up, as you can see here, and put my hairnet over top of it. And I just slept in that. And people ask me if it's hard to sleep with my hairnet in. I mean, I don't do it very often, but no, it was okay. It didn't bother me at all. And then now I'm also going to be doing a face mask. This is another Life brand. And this was the coolest mask I have ever used. I highly recommend it. It kind of like puffed out. I wish I would have gotten a good close-up video, a good close-up portion of myself, like, because once I put it on, it just went on like a normal mask, but after a while it like puffed out. It like kind of, it almost got like bubbly. It was so weird, but it definitely looked funny. Like, it looked like my face was all swollen up. It was so funny. And it just felt cool. It felt like little bubbles popping against your skin. So now Willow wanted some brushing, so I figured I'm getting my own pampering. I might as well pamper her as well because she deserves it too. So I brushed her for a little bit. And now I'm just getting into my bed and I'm going to be reading my book. So that's it. That's pretty much concludes my self-care portion, my fall routine. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know if you'd like me to do another video like this. And I will see you in my next video. Have a good night. Bye.